Google account how to delete. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your Google account, open any Google app, could be Chrome or Google app itself or whatever else. Tap on your Google profile photo from the top right and go to the option called manage your Google account. Once you're here, you want to simply go to this third option after personal info called data and privacy. Once you're under data and privacy, scroll down all the way to the very bottom and you'll find the option called delete your Google account. Now there are so many things that you have to understand before you try to delete your Google account, because if you have Google Photos backed up and all your photos are backed up to Google Photos, and if you have Google Contacts, any Google linked services, social media, such as if your Facebook is linked with Google, if your Twitter is linked with Google, they're all actually going to get deleted. So these are the things that you want to keep in mind. So now you can tap on delete your Google account and it will show you a list of, by the way, anything that your Google account is connected to, it will show you a list of those social media apps and services and accounts, and you can review them and delete them accordingly as well. So once you enter your password, your account will get successfully deleted, and this way you can delete Google account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.